Hello, welcome back to Glam Queen of DIY. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Now, in today's video, I am going to be showing you some glam DIYs. Now, if that sounds interesting, stay tuned. But remember to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and turn on your post notifications. All right, family, let's get this DIY project started. And to you guys, a portion of this video is actually sponsored by Diflart.com. I'm going to drop Diflart's information down in my description box. Make sure you go down in the description box and hit that link and see what you can find. And we're going to come back to that in a few minutes. But for this first DIY, we're going to be just taking two standard floral vases. You get these anywhere if you ever had flowers delivered or anything, but just two standard floral vases. I'm also using those Dollar Tree Craft a Square jewel border stickers, which is that. Alright you guys, this portion of the video is actually sponsored by Diflart.com, and again, Diflart information is down in my description box. Please make sure you go over and check out their website, especially if you like mirror decor. But my package came like this. Came like this, you guys. And I got two items. I got one item I took out the box because the box was so big. And I have this package here. And this is actually mother of pearl Backsplash. Look at that, you guys. That's gorgeous she is. And I actually wanted this because I'm doing my mother's room with the mother of pearl theme. And you got to see what this is actually going to be used for and what it will become. And this mother of pearl, and this is actually the white, more white mother of pearl. Look at that, you guys. You can use it in your shower. You can use it as a regular backsplash, but you know, with us crafters, you gotta check out what this becomes. And I'm going to drop the actual item code for this down in the description as well. But I got that mother of pearl, and again, this pack actually has 10 sheets in it. And we have that 12 by 12 mirrored subway tile. I'll pull out a sheet. And it looks like that. You guys, you gotta check this out because we're gonna actually be doing a couple projects with this. I will be linking that 12 by 12 in my mirror towel in my description as well. It has the mesh backing just like that mother of pearl, and it has a film over it up front, so it ain't that the shine is dull. It just got the film, the plastic film over it. But we have that. Alright, you guys, now let's jump right back into this video. And DIY Glam Masters concludes my DIYs. I hope you have liked what I created. Please remember to come back tomorrow at 2, same time, same place for another video. And if you've been rocking with me for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive. And please don't forget, family, if you're not subscribed to the Glam Queen of DIY, the Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, and Glam Queen Vlogs, hit that subscribe button now. We really appreciate you.